Hey friends, this is Wendy with Cannin Plannin. We are here for Craft With Me day number 21, and we are coming down to the final stretch of our 29 days of crafting in February 2024. So I grabbed my coffee kit today. We're going to do something fun with our coffee card kit. So let's take a look. All right, you guys, here we are preparing our next card using our coffee card kit. Actually went through my stash of old things, and if you saw this yesterday during the 20th video, I found these leftover papers that I had from a previous coffee kit. So we're going to utilize those today. What we're going to do is make a gift card, and we're going to do it like a birthday card. So I'm going to use the happy birthday sticker, but we have our card base, our envelope, washi tape, card paper, die cut, and then some extra odds and ends because I never know how I want to put them on there. We're just going to decorate as we go. So here's the awesome thing that we're going to do first. We're going to take our card base, we're going to actually open it up, and we're going to fold in this section just a little bit on the one side. And when we do that, we're going to get it as even as we can. You can utilize a bone folder if you have one. I happen to have one handy because it's always in my pile of craft stuff on my desk. And what we're going to do with this is we're going to take our adhesive, and we're actually going to create a little pocket by putting some adhesive on both ends, but leaving the inside open. So we have this nice little pocket here that you can slide a gift card in to give away. So let's pretend this is our gift card. You would slide it in like so. All right. Okay. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to decorate these pieces. So we're going to decorate this section right here, and this section right here. So this is the fun part where we get to just start playing around with stuff and seeing how it looks. Again, tearing paper is always fun because it's quick and it's easy. It doesn't take a lot of effort. And you can utilize, you can see I've got paper tearing stuff left over. So we're just going to utilize that. We're going to make sure that we utilize this whole entire card kit by the time we get finished with our 29 days of crafting. And it's really fun to be able to tear paper and have bits and pieces left over, because as you're doing your crafting, you can go, oh, I can use that piece here, or I can use that piece there. And it just makes it fun to mix and match the different pieces as you go along. So there is that like leftover torn piece that we can utilize there. Let's see. Oh, I like this stripe. Look, this stripe will fit perfectly right here. Love it. This actually, oh, I like that too. Okay, hold on. Glad I hadn't stuck that down. So we're going to take this side. I almost put tape on the wrong side, you guys. That could have been disastrous. All right, here we go. I'm go like this. And then we're going to take this piece and put it on like this. See, we've utilized so many of those scraps already just by playing around with it like that. Okay, so there's this piece and this piece. And then I wanted to use this. I think I like all of these, so I'm going to go like this. I like the back of this paper too. It just, it's a lot with that. So I just wanted to utilize just a little smidgen of this. And I think we'll just do it all the way up to the top so that I don't have to worry about trying to trim it correctly. I could just use my scissors, which is always super helpful. All right. And we're going to just grab this, the top, line it up with the edge, and then we'll grab our scissors and see how technical this is. No measuring needed. Just tear the paper and then pull it off of there. And then I think some coffee beans washi will be cute right here. So let's just add this little piece like this. I'll bring that teal over. Look, I have a stencil handy too. So always nice to have a stencil handy to cut washi tape. Put it in a nice little. All right, we're going to grab our die cut, which we're going to put on the front. You can do it two different ways. You can put it like this, and then when they open it, like it goes across both pieces of paper, which is kind of fun. Or like this. I think I'm going to do it like that. I was going to do it just in the center, but I like this idea better. So you only have to put it on half, like so. And then we're going to use our happy birthday sticker, but I don't like that it's that long. So we're going to actually cut it in half. So I'm going to take it off of here and I'm going to cut it in between the two words. Maybe. Then we're going to go happy birthday. And then there we go. Now we got to decorate our envelope because that's always the best part, right? We're going to grab our, we'll just use this washi tape. Little coffee beans. And grab our little cupcake sticker. Ba-doom. All right, you guys, there we go. That is day number 21 of our 21 days or 29 days of crafting. If you found this information helpful, please feel free to share it out, and I'll see you guys next time for day number 22. Bye, friends.